Here are my three oldest, one with food on its head. And they're starting to fledge and wanting to fly. Oh, you're gonna fly. You're gonna fly. I think so. Come on. I think you're gonna fly. You wanna fly? It did it!
He flew.
He flew.
He's looking at me, ready to fly at me.
Sure you can. Sure you can fly.
He's getting ready. He's getting ready
To poop on my hand. Excellent.
He pooped. You're lucky it wasn't on you. You're lucky it
You're a
wasn't
little flyer boy.
You're lucky it wasn't on you.
You're a little flyer boy.
You're lucky it wasn't on you.
Oh, come here.
Now he's you cutie.
You gonna fly? Go on.
Oh!
Yeah.
He's ready to fly already.
Here is my lovebird baby. You can do it. You can. You can do it. You did it. How was your first flight? How was your first flight? That good, huh? You wanna try it again? Come on, girl. What a good girl. Come here, you big flyer girl. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here, my little mini bambalams. Yes, you're so cute. You're such a good flyer girl now. Was that a workout? You're the biggest flyer I know. What are you doing? You a big flyer girl? You're a big flyer girl. You're just having too much fun with flying. Come on. Come on, you big flyer girl. Show us. Show us what you can do. You're just a big flying girl.